It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with this bomb wine red wig. Like, I'm feeling this wig. I have another one in a different color that I will be reviewing soon, but this is definitely giving what I expected it to give. It is giving, okay? Don't know what exactly it's giving, but it's giving. Now, this wig was sent to me by Hihoo hair. I have worked with them before. They reached out to me again and asked me to review 2 more wigs for them. So this is the first one. Like I said, I do have another color in the same wig, but I wanted to do a separate video for that because I have an idea of how I want to do my makeup and all that good stuff. But if you're not familiar with my wig reviews, I show you the construction of my wigs, then I get into details about the wigs, and then I let you guys know my final thoughts about the wig. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So once again, this wig is from Hihoo hair on Aliexpress, so make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details. But this is their short Afro kinky curly wig with bangs. The color that I have is a wine red, as y'all can see, so it kind of like has the ombre effect, which is super cute. If you don't know me, now you know. I do love me some burgundy wine red hair. Now, I got it in 14 inches. I'm not too sure what the exact pricing is, but it retails about $21–22. If I haven't said it, I don't remember, but it is synthetic, so it is cheap. Now, the hair is like soft. It is soft, and as soon as I put it on, like, I was able to fluff it out how I wanted to. And like I said in the intro, it is giving. Okay, it is giving. Like, this is cute, okay? This is super duper cute. Love me some big hair. The curl pattern is bomb.com. Y'all know I love me some kinky curly hair, okay? So if you are looking for a cute wine red kinky curly synthetic wig, okay, here you go. Here you go. This is super duper bomb. Like, yes ma'am. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around. So this is how it looks in the front. This is how it looks on the side. This is how it looks in the back. And this is how it looks on the other side. So it is super duper cute, super affordable, bomb.com, okay? So I want to thank Hihoo hair for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it. You guys stay tuned for the other color wig that I have just like this. I will have it up very, very soon. But you guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the length, color, hair texture, all that good stuff, okay? Let's go ahead and talk about it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.